Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 3116th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. OMNIPHOENIX, my videographers are a little busy tonight and tomorrow, so I'll do videos like this for you, and Wednesday, I'll get out in front of that camera. So, let me show you what's going on here. This is for trading on Tuesday, Monday night through Tuesday. That makes it August 11th, 2026. Risky, risky, risky. Never trade without protective stops. Any market that allows you to put protective stops in, use those protective stops, put them in first before you enter into a live position. You'll live a lot longer in this business. It's risky. Put your stops in. All right. Traders, we've got a red Omni for trading the U.S. indices, E-mini, S&P, NASDAQ, Russell on August 11th, 2026. And looking at this chart of the YM daily, I'll tell you right now, I showed this to you exactly 3 days ago and said, well, 4 days ago, and I said a picture speaks 1,000 words. Nothing else was here, right? So where we stood was here. And I basically said, look at this, kids. A picture speaks 1,000 words. The Omni got bearish, and it's got nothing to do with this channel right here at all. But the Omni got bearish right there. A picture speaks 1,000 words, and this is what's happened since. Not bad, right? And the Omni's red for trading on Thursday, so you would think that this is not a problem at all, right? Not a problem. And it shouldn't be, because it looks like getting short here looks pretty easy to do. The market wants to crack. But, you know, when you go around the horn a little bit, you got to be careful here. What I am going to tell you is this. Jack, be nimble. If you are going to trade S&P, NASDAQ, or Russ from the short side tomorrow, or the YM for that matter, be nimble. Hit and run. Get out when you can, and I'll show you why right now. Omni is red. I never argue with the Omni. That's that. It wants me to sell, and I'll sell. And if you look at this YM chart, why wouldn't you want to sell that? But take a look around the horn. Take a look at this. Yes, the Omni is red in the E-mini S&P, but is this a bull flag? I think it looks like one to me. You got to be quick if you're going to be on the short side tomorrow. Now, we're not breaking out of the flag yet. The Omni wants us to sell, and that's okay. We'll do that. Nimble, nimble, nimble. That's your E-mini S&P. Look at the Russ. So Russ, same thing. We want to sell the rallies in Russ, but we want to be very nimble in our trade. We want to get the heck out after we've made some profits, because looking at it like this, and then watch this, there's one more. We're going to take this out to a weekly, and I'll show you that even on the weekly charts, right? So this is ES Daily, and that's got the bull flag. Now, look at the weekly. This is a picture that you cannot forget. Do you know why? This is all-time forever highs right here. All-time forever highs right here. That's where we are. That's where we are. Do you understand why I want you to be nimble if you're short on Tuesday? You got to be nimble because, all right, it's a weekly and it takes a week to create a bar, but the all-time forever highs were just made. And here we are right next to them. So you got to be careful. Be very nimble in your trading. Now, let's go out and look at something else. You know what? Let's go back. Let's make this a daily, and let's go to the YM. And this way, that'll be up when we come back to it in a little while. But we're going to go somewhere else. Check this out. There's something else that's telling us to be careful tomorrow for day trading, not just the mini S&P, NASDAQ, Russ, and YM. Look at this guy. Bitcoin. Remember the bear flags I've been showing you, and how when we get to the top of those bear flags, the market drops? Hit the top, market drops. Overall, it was a bear flag, and overall, that bear flag worked. And we dropped into another bear flag. And that bear flag, when it gets to the top, dropped to the bottom. That worked. And that bottom created another flagpole to a bear flag. Hit the top, and it dropped. Hit the top, and it dropped. We just hit the top. So what should happen next? We should drop. So we're getting short-term sell signals in E-mini, S&P, NASDAQ, Russ, and Bitcoin, but nimble, nimble, nimble. Then if we go here, the opposite of the world takes place. It's the craziest thing I've ever seen. Look at the Omni Phoenix. Look at these trend lines. Look at how it just keeps moving. We just started this coin, OMNIX. Why are you not in this? It's insane. We just started this coin on this date. It's brand spanking new. It's been going up, up, up in the right channel, looking beautiful. It's called the Omni Phoenix. It is our worldwide community coin. Its call letters are OMNIPHENIX. You can buy right into it now on Phantom Wallet, on Coinbase, on Pump.fun, on most exchanges. Here's what I'm going to tell my OMNIACs who are in. Hold tight. I've got more new buyers coming in. I work on this all the time. You know that. I'm always meeting with people, getting more people in. When these new buyers join us, you should buy more. Do not sell out your coins now. Why would you sell them so cheap? We're going to take this so much higher. Don't you guys know who I am? Don't you know what this is? You should be buying the Omni. When sellers come in, buy those coins from them. When buyers come in, don't chase them away. Buy with them, OMNIACs. Wait till you see where we are 6 months from now. However, you got to help the buyers when they come in. You can't scare them away. When new buyers come in, if you show them that you're with them, their friends come in as well. You know how that works, right? When new buyers come in, applaud them, buy with them, and we'll be much, much higher. Remember, anybody who wants to sell out, let them. Take their coins from them. You see any red bars, come in and do what I do. Just come in and scoop them up. As a crowd, we will take this thing much higher. And as you know, it's only midsummer where there's a lot of nut trading going on, and the coin's doing great in midsummer. Wait till you see as the summer leaves. It's going to be fantastic. Get yourself into the Omni Phoenix. It's a worldwide community coin, and my community has been being built since the 1980s. They follow me all over the world. Get into the Omni Phoenix, Phantom Wallet, Coinbase, Pump.fun, or any other exchange you want to look for it on. I think New York, New Jersey, you can't get this coin there. There's certain states that you can't get them at, but you can if you go to Phantom Wallet. Hold tight if you are in the coin. Do not sell when sellers come in. This isn't the time right now. Buy when sellers come in and buy when buyers come in. And you'll see, you watch this thing 6 months from now, kids. It's doing so well. We got people from all over the world getting in. God bless you, OMNIACs. If I went through to show you how much money people are making in equity right now, you'd fall over. Be one of those people making equity. Jump in the coin. It will not hurt you, I promise. Then we're going back here. We're going to go to chart 8, and we're going to say, remember, a picture speaks 1,000 words, and so does the pictures of those possible bull flags. Jack, be nimble if you're going to sell rallies in the YM, the E-mini S&P, the Russell 2000, or the NASDAQ for trading on Tuesday. And of course, jump into the Omni coin because that's been going in the right direction since the day we built it. Traders, I hope that helps. Make sure that you keep your emotions out of trading. How do we do that? We say this to ourselves every single day, especially when we're in a trade. You know what it is by now, right? Say it with me. 1, 2, 3. Stop. So in. Emotions are rock and roll traders. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com. Like and share these videos. Leave your comments below.